In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to buy MLS Season Pass via Apple TV. Let's get started. To begin, open the Apple TV app on your supported device. Make sure you are signed in with your Apple account as you will need it to complete your subscription. Once you're in the app, you can either go to the Home tab and look for the MLS section or tap the search icon and search for MLS or MLS Season Pass. From the search results, open the MLS Season Pass channel page. On the MLS Season Pass page, you will see the subscribe button. Tap or click subscribe, then sign in with your Apple account if you are prompted. Review the subscription details and confirm your payment using your preferred payment method linked to your Apple account. Once the payment is successful, your MLS Season Pass subscription will be activated immediately and you will be able to start watching the MLS matches, replays, highlights, and exclusive MLS content directly to the Apple TV app. Now let's take a look at the subscription pricing. The standard MLS Season Pass subscription costs $14.99 per month or $99 per season. If you're an Apple TV Plus subscriber, you will receive discounted pricing of $12.99 per month or $79 per season. In addition, eligible MLS season ticket holders can receive MLS Season Pass at no additional cost by following the activation instructions sent to the email address associated with the club account. After subscribing, simply return to the MLS section in Apple TV app whenever you want to watch live games, match replays, highlights, and other exclusive content. As long as you are signed in with the same Apple account that you used for the purchase, you will have access across all your supported devices. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.